Hello everybody, welcome back to Stories. Thank you for joining us today. So in today's video I'll be showcasing this newly built apartment.
You said that you've been lonely, makes you cold inside.
So we are on day 2 of the 30 days of posting 30 different places in 30 days. So this is how the outside of this apartment looks like.
Hard to get to know me, but better than the lights. No way.
So the apartment contains different units with different size. So the sizes vary from 15,000 to 18,000. So the first house we are going to start with is the one that is going for 18,000 Kenyan shillings per month.
I'd let you slip by.
And out of all the houses, it's the largest.
No way, I'd let you say bye. You said there ain't no reason, but I'll sit here every day, waiting for the moment I will.
From here you can see the space of the house. So this one that we've started with is going for 18,000, 18k.
I should stay. No way.
By the time I'm done with the video, I will have showcased different houses with different prices.
I'd let you slip by. No way, I'd let you say bye. Can we run
Your sink area on this side, then you have a washroom, then a wardrobe just next to the entrance.
away?
So we are done with the first house, which is the bedsitter that's going for 18,000.
Then get up, get dressed, before work's off my list. What's left to do, just guess. It's you, my favorite, but I wanna taste you and feel you shake, raising an earthquake. Can't
This is the second bedsitter and it's going for 16,500 shillings.
push the brakes when a rush hits. We're going in, we're going in. You keep me biting my cheek, year after year. Only gets better, I'm weak in the knees. We hit the sheets, you on my lips, I'm feeling the heat. That's all I need. When a day's gone, we've only begun.
So if you compare the two, the first one I've showcased and this one, there's just a slight difference in size of the bedsitter.
The best part, when we get it on, I'm addicted, no denying it. Cause you don't cross my mind, you live in it. I wanna
The first one we showcased was 18.
taste you and feel you shake, raising an earthquake. Can't push
And the bedsitters are located in Juja.
the brakes when
So the first place we went to was Utawala. The second place we are
a rush.
is in Juja.
We're going in, we're going in. You keep me back, going in, we're going in. You keep me back.
Stay tuned for the whole 30 days to see the different places we are going to go to.
Biting my cheek, yeah.
So we are done with the second unit. This one now is the third unit. This one is going for 15.
Only gets better, I'm weak in the knees. We hit the sheets, you on my lips,
So this is the smallest of all.
I'm feeling the heat, that's all I need.
But they have made sure to provide balconies on each and every bedsitter. And you've also been provided with a wardrobe.
I'm about to get 30. Your last one made you 30. Now you get yourself a freaking little dude. In the mood 24/7, 16/11. So you're making it, but
So the washroom of the 15,000 bedsitter
I just stop. Stop for
spacious enough for you to use. So the bathroom at the end,
a moment.
then the washroom at the toilet at the beginning. And on each and every bathroom, you've been provided with a sink.
A moment. Do you really think that I'ma fuck you while I'm sober? I'm not. Taking Uber to your hotel, eating like a local bitch. You're calling back while I shut down.
You give me body much you can get off the end. Only gets better, I'm weak in the knees. We hit the sheets, you on my lips. I'm feeling a hit, that's all I need. That's all I need.
Now to the final unit we are going to be showcasing today.
You're pulling on my walls down.
It's going for 17,000 Kenyan shillings per month.
I've never been exposed.
So before we go to the next unit, you can notice that you have lift inside the building. And an advantage of living here is that there's a gym inside the building. So at the rooftop, you've been provided with a gym.
Like this before. I'm good at shutting you out.
So on to the final unit we'll be showcasing today is a 17,500 bed sitter.
I've always had a way of keeping closed. Beating, hiding, I've been calling out your name from the darkness, thinking it's too late. If you're finding
So the kitchen counter is big enough.
I've been too much on your plate, I'll keep hiding, calling out your name, calling out your name, calling out your name, calling out your name, calling out your name. Beating, hiding, I've been calling out your name from the darkness, thinking it's
And that is it for today's video. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, comment and hit the subscription button. Bye bye and see you on my next video. Bye bye.
Tell me how you're feeling since you got me out in the open. Now I'm ready to dive in.